of the remarkable things that developers developed is a layering capability. They have a patent on something really unique and clever. Essentially, it allows you to make a change to the model, or any part of the model, or any part of any individual line item, or for that matter, any individual formula or assumption. As many changes as you want. Now here's the key. They all get to coexist in the same model. So you might have a rate structure, for example, where you multiply this rate times that volume, but now you're thinking about doing it differently. Maybe it's going to be units times a rate for the same clientele. How are you going to do that? In a spreadsheet, you have to build a spreadsheet with pricing model 1, and then you'd have to build a spreadsheet with pricing model 2, and I imagine you'd have to build a third spreadsheet to compare the two. In Whitebirch, those two alternatives can coexist in the same model, and you can pivot to look at them side by side or any other number of ways. The ability to fold in what are essentially infinite numbers of scenarios, not just for the whole model, but for individual pieces of the model, gives you a capability that changes your ability to get to answers and make decisions.